Hello, we are back for video number 2. The last one we did the alphabet and the sounds of each of the alphabet, and we had some objects that start with the letter. My name is Sarah.
My name is Miranda.
And today we are going to go over greetings and expressions. So we have 15 of them for you. And if you've ever wondered how to say nice to meet you in Plautdietsch, we will be sharing that with you today. In the last video, we left you with a question at the end, and I said we would say the answer in the next one. And the question was, do you know what a pehun is? And you did not, right? You still don't? So what did Dad tell you today? What does peh mean?
Pie.
And hun means?
Rooster.
And the answer has nothing to do with pie or rooster. Are you ready? Pehun means peacock.
What?
Are you as surprised as Miranda? Peacock. Can you say pehun?
Pehun.
So now you know that a peacock is called pehun in Plautdietsch. Some days we will share weird words, and some days we will share fun facts. The last video we did a fun fact. Okay, so let's start. I also want to say that if you've been looking for a place to learn Plautdietsch, hopefully you can join us and learn. We are going to start at the beginner level for now. So like I said, we did the alphabet, and today we're going to do greetings, and the next video I believe we will do numbers. I had my schedule a little bit mixed up, so in the first video I believe I said we would do numbers next, but now we're going to do greetings instead. And on this board, I'm not sure if I explained it last time, it says Plautdietsch leren met ons, and I would say Plautdietsch leren met ons. So the dialect that I learned is a little bit different than others that I've heard. There's a few different ones, and mine might be because I learned a lot of the words with the A sound instead of O sound. If you know Plautdietsch and you hear some words that sound a little bit different than what you have learned, then you know that I have a different dialect of them. So, all right, let's start. So the first greeting is Goedendag. So there is Goedendag, but there's also Goedendag, and that is the one we use normally. Can you tell us what that means? Goedendag?
Good day.
Good day, yeah. Or people would use it to say hello. So can you say Goedendag?
Goedendag.
Goedendag. Or Goedendag
Goedendag.
would also mean good day or hello. Maybe the Goedendag would be more a hello, and then the Goedendag would be good day. Can you say Goedendag?
Goedendag.
Yeah. So those are actually two different ones. So Goedendag is good day, and Goedendag is good day or hello. The third one is a permission one, kon ek.
Kon ek.
And you know what this means, right?
May I?
May I? Yep. Good job. Kon ek.
Ek.
Ek. Yeah, that has the k sound, but you're doing good. Kon ek means can I or may I. Bitte.
Bitte.
Means
Please.
please. Yep. So if you want to ask for something politely, please, then you say bitte.
Bitte.
Yeah. That bitte is number 4. Number 5 is Dankeschön.
Dankeschön means thank you.
Yep. So most people know that one. Dankeschön. It's pretty easy for you. Bitteschön. Can you say bitteschön?
Bitteschön
is, what does it mean? You're welcome.
You're welcome. Right, I forgot.
So instead of saying bitteschön, we would usually just say bitschön.
That's what I'm used to.
Okay, so bit,
Bit.
schön.
Schön. Bitteschön.
Yep. So that's number 6. Number 7, Goden,
Golden.
Marian.
Marian.
Most of the time we would just say Marius.
Marius.
That would be the slang way, I think. But the proper way would be Goden,
Golden.
Marian.
Marian.
Yep, it means good morning. Good night would be
Gute Nacht.
Gute Nacht. Good. Gute Nacht or Gode Nacht.
Gute Nacht.
We usually do Gute Nacht, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that means good night. That's, what are we at, number 7? So we are halfway through. This video is going pretty fast, right? It's going to be a shorter one, which is good. They don't all need to be long. I will share the weird word with you now, and I'm pretty sure you've heard me say this. Ukkel.
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 It sounds weird to me. It's always sounded weird. And when I looked in the dictionary, there wasn't a word ukkel. It was just uk. So UK. Do you know what that means? Uk?
Uncle.
Uncle? Good guess. Nope. It means... It means also. Ukkel. So now you know what that funny sound means. Okay, let's get on with the rest of the lesson. So we are at number 8, right? We didn't do Gode Nacht?
Yeah.
We did do Good Nacht? Okay, we are at number 9. So Goden Uvent. Do you know what that means?
Good evening.
Yep. Can you say Goden
Guten
Uvent?
Uvent.
Goden Uvent.
Guten Uvent.
And the way I grew up, people would say Genuvens.
Genuvens.
Yep. And that's not even in the dictionary. So number 10 is Sloopgoat.
Sloopgoat. Sleep good.
Yep. So how do you know that? Because you hear it every evening from Dad? Yep. Sloopgoat means sleep well. So that's number 10. So number 11 is and shilje me.
And shall you mean?
Me.
Me.
Means excuse me.
Excuse me.
It means excuse me. And shilje me.
And shall you me.
Okay. Number 12 is det me light.
Det me light.
Do you know what that means?
I am sorry.
Yeah, good job. Det me light. Can you say that? So det me light means I'm sorry. That's number 12. We have 3 more to go. Number 13, odoi.
Odoi.
Have you heard this before?
O-U.
I owe you? No. Odoi. O-doi.
Doi.
Do you know what it means? Goodbye.
What?
Odoi
Odoi.
means goodbye or bye. Number 14, vi zijn ons.
Vi zijn ons.
Do you want to guess what that means? We will see us.
What?
That's how it would be word for word translated, but we would just say, we'll see you, right? But the way it is in the Plautdietsch dialect, or in the Plautdietsch language, it is vi zijn ons.
Vi zijn ons.
Yep. See you. See you. It could mean see you, or we will see us, which sounds strange. All right, number 15, the one that I said we would share today is the nice to meet you. Are you ready for this? So we'll start with hello, which is, do you remember? Gondag.
Gondag.
Ek vre me.
Ek vre me.
Die te trafen.
Die te trafen.
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 Trafen. So trafen means meet.
Meet?
Yeah, like meet you.
Oh.
So ek vre me is like I'm happy to
Meet you.
meet you. Yeah. And otherwise, like in English, we would just say, hi, nice to meet you. Right? So that's our last one. Goeien dag, ek vre me die te trafen. Or die te trafe. So that would be the one that I'm not used to. I would put an N sound at the end. Instead of trafe, I would do trafen. That's how I learned it. So that's all for today. And we have a question for you again. If you've watched till the end, You can leave us the answer in the comments, what you think it is. And the word today is schiltkjrät. Can you guess what that is? Or what does it sound like?
Go to school.
Good guess. So I will look forward to seeing your answers in the comments, and the word for today is schiltkjrät. Thank you for watching. We are happy that you're here, and we can't wait to see you in the next one.
Bye.